You asked me about finance functional training.
Yes, one of my friend actually recently he joined one company.
Okay.
So not, but he was asking, he's asking that somebody, but currently he will not join, maybe after 20 to 25 days or something like that.
He's a functional consultant.
He is functional consultant, but he's like junior. He before he was working under senior, so some confusion maybe he has or something like that.
Okay. Okay. So he need training.
Yeah,
No problem. I will check.
if you know somebody.
Sure, sure. So let me share the screen. Is it visible?
Yes,
So form personalization.
yes,
For the form personalization, we need to open some form.
yes.
Open our created form. Then there is a diagnostic custom code is there and there is a personalization. So basically, at some places it is not uh, enabled. So how to enable it? Firstly, go to the profile option. Check if profile is there. This is from me. Let me this one. This is a profile option. We need to make it yes to enable that personalization.
Okay,
Otherwise, if I'm doing no, do it. And going to open some form. Open this form. Now we go to the personalized. We do not have a responsibility. So to make it responsibility, we have to give provide yes in the utility diagnostics
okay,
profile option. After that, we are able to do the personalization. So if you want to provide this to on the user wise, then we can do it on the user basis. Otherwise, if you want to give it everybody, so if you give like if you give the at site level, if you do the yes, na, then
yeah,
every user will have that personalization active.
okay,
Want some user only the developers or the support person only have that access to the personalization. So
okay,
that's why we provide it on the responsibility basis or on the user basis. Okay.
okay.
After that, we can go to the developer. Okay. Then we go to the personalization. So this is the personalization
Yeah,
window. You can do many personalization at there. So personalization when personalization active. Let me close it. Once I open this form, na,
yeah,
so before opening the form, that moment, all the personalization are enabled or applied to the form.
mm,
If you have to do the changes, or if you are doing some changes in the pre-exist personalization, then we should have to close that form once and then reopen it
okay,
to correctly apply those personalization. If we
okay,
have to create, if we are doing new, we are deleting or updating or inserting anything we are doing, we need
Yeah.
to close that form. And once we reopen that form, all the personalization, whatever the enabled personalization, will apply to the form.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the life cycle of form personalization. So let me do the personalize. So this is the trigger event. At
Yeah.
what event we need to trigger those personalization? So
Okay.
let you. So there are new form, when new form instance, when new blog instance, when new record instance, when new item instance, when validate record, menu one, menu two, menu three, menu four, menu five, menu six. So these are the uh, triggered event. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me do some personalization. Let me take it some example like I need to open some other tab. I need to open some other form.
Okay.
Uh, this is called zoom functionality. So zoom, and so it will go into when we open the form, then it will apply. Let me do it, then I will explain. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. So, uh, let me copy the function name of my this one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So the application developer. What I am doing, I am creating a menu
Okay.
in that form, and while clicking to that menu and some function is there,
Yeah.
and we can able to open the other form.
Okay.
So I'm able to do with the help of personalization. Let me do it. There are many examples. So first we do so this one, oh, let's check it.
Dari mama, kami itu mama lo, ini lo lihat video itu kan?
Let me reopen that form. Wait,
No.
from my- Yeah, this is there. In the actions that form no just trigger. Okay. I need to do the personalization. I need to, I think, close that instance once. Then we will again open it. Okay?
Okay.
Wait a minute. Screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Great. So I'm opening the form again.
Yeah.
Got it, got it. The form is opening automatically. Need to mention condition. This one. We need to see. What happening?
Yeah.
I have not selected I have selected the when new form instance. So automatically this form is opening. Both the form are opening.
Yeah.
So save it. Now we close it. Now we are going to open it again. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have created a menu. I have created a link. So this is visible here. So once
Okay.
I click this, na, so it will automatically open that master detail form. See
Okay.
there. And if I want, like it will query some data as well while opening, then we can also provide it. But like we can take the department number, take this department number, or we can hard code it as well.
Okay.
Okay, so let me do it.
ऐसे जाकर मम्मा तू भाई ऐसे बता दिया कर अब तू खड़ा हो गया बेटा तू बोल दिया ना है बेटा तुझे बता दिया ना मम्मा को शैतान ही गोली दे बेटा सही डैडी तो नीति वाली गोली हम बैठे मम्मा जल्दी चिपकाओ
Let me check.
क्या हुआ भाई ठीक है रे क्षमा मत दिखा खड़ा हो खड़ा तो हो एक बार फिनिश हो गई अपनी खाली बेटा आकर आकर खाली खाली होते पता मम्मा को खाली फिनिश कर दी हाँ नहीं करा नहीं करा देख ये बात है टाइम निन्ना कला तो निन्ना कला तो
These are the properties. So I want to enable it some department number. So I can let me do that thing as well. There are many things like built-in type. So
Yeah.
from it, launch a form,
Mm.
SRS form. SRS form is a request form. This one. This is the SRS form.
Okay.
So we can also launch this SRS form,
Mm.
and we can launch a function. We have already done it.
Mm.
Launch a URL. You can provide a URL. So after clicking on it, you
Mm.
can able to launch a URL. Do key means do anything.
Mm.
Go item. If you want to go on it, the cursor will go to the other item.
Mm.
Forms detail, raise the trigger failure, or execute a database procedure.
Mm.
Execute trigger, call custom library, or create record group from query. Like if at runtime you want to change the type of list of value
Mm.
um, of any form. Set profile value in cache. Like if you want to set some profile value as well, but it will be on temporary basis.
Mm.
It will save onto the profile. So not sure. So this is built-in menu. We can provide the menu as well. These are the menu, like whatever thing we have provided. Na? So one action column menu is added here. So that menu will added here. We want to provide it. Okay. So there are a lot of options are there, but also message. You can provide some message as well. Like it would be in the form of show, hint, error, debug one. So you can provide anything. You can
Mm.
also, I think we can do the query as well. Not the not message. Text one. So this is how the message is. So
Mm.
let me do that. Especially you want to
क्या हुआ?
Maybe this is our custom form. Maybe let me do in the form. Maybe it will work in that form as well. Because we have done with the help of the template by Sapandina. So everything will be taken care by the instance. So let me do again. Do not know why it is not showing. Window. Yeah, see, we can also change the title, height, width, where the form opens, na? So there is a X or Y coordinate. So you can also move the form like when it is open. So many things they are provided in the form personalization. So change the title. What is the title right now? Department employee. I want DPT EMP. Let me do. Okay. So we have saved it. Now it is saying department employee. Let me close it first. Check here. It has changed the title of the form. I want once the form is open, so it will query some record is shown. I don't want the form will open blank. So I want it will initialize some values. So I want to do it. Do that. So I have done like nobody can able to like we are able to do the things other things, but whatever we want, I'm not able to do it right now. So what I have done, query not allowed. Like I'm not able to query on this form. Like I'm pressing F11, but Due to personalization, I'm not able to query on this form. So these things like we can personalize with the help of the form personalization. So these things help. Like if we want to hide, let me uh, hide some column.
Okay.
So we can do that queryable, but we can check other things as well. So I want to hide some LOC column. Okay,
Okay.
and in the department one. So like we check the department LOC department. I want to which where did display it? Display is false. Okay, save. Then we can open the form again. See here LOC is gone.
Hmm.
So normal things we can do with the help of personalization. Save.
So Oracle documentation also we have for this for personalization.
Maybe yes, Oracle generally provide everything.
Hmm.
So let me check as well. Interesting document. Yeah, downloaded. So wait, let me ping you in the chat window. Please check, have you got it in the chat window?
Sorry.
I have pinned that document. I have downloaded from the Oracle support.
Okay.
I have downloaded the form personalization. I have ping you in the chat window. Please check. Have you
Okay.
received it?
Okay, we'll check.
Please check right now.
Yeah, I got it.
Please download it at your end.
Okay.
I have received. I have got it on the Oracle support.
Okay.
Use cases of form personalization. Default. We can make any item, any column required, mandatory and non-mandatory
No.
with the help of estimation, with these property required. Update allowed. Well, so putting 10. Question 10, but uh, yeah, very nice. Let me check on the internet. Yes, Sabir, we have done like at runtime,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have executed. So now my thing is we are clicking from this form, na? So it
Yeah.
will automatically open with the help of it automatically execute the query.
Okay, okay.
So now what we want to do, whatever the department number it is there, na,
Yeah.
it will once we go and click onto it, so it will query this department number only.
Okay, okay.
So
Oh,
that sorry.
yeah, because hard code is 20 there, so it will automatically 20 will execute it.
Basically, we need to pass that parameter, that variable, like that value to the
Yes.
other form
Yeah.
to move that value. So then we will do the uh, execute the query on the basis of this.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
And one issue I want to discuss today
Okay.
related to a report.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
And-
Same report what we made that day. Um,
Okay.
they don't want this minus balance as a total. So I
Mm-hmm.
restricted their where in query where clause where amount is less than zero.
Okay.
But they don't want like that. They want to run without when less than zero also. They want option less than zero also or without zero also as a
Okay.
parameter or something like that. So I'm not getting
So
how to do this.
you can do with the help of the lexical parameter, na? Lexical.
Lexical parameter.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
lexical parameter, then what I will in lexical parameter I will supply less than zero I will supply or equal to zero I will supply or null I will supply. This I'm not getting.
So you can no in that case no,
Oh,
provide
parameter will
let
be
me let me share my notepad. You need to provide it like if get some value from the concurrent program parameter, like you have some parameter and you have supplied you have passed some value at front end like all records or something, है ना?
yeah all records. Yeah.
All records. So you also get this value in the report builder as well. So that parameter name may be P. Uh, suppose this. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will type that code like this in the backend. In the some triggers in the before parameter form, before report trigger or before parameter form. So in that case, you need to take some lexical parameter like you will when you pass this in the query, na,
Yeah.
you need to pass it in the query
Yeah.
and where.
Yes.
So one parameter will automatically created, and after then you need to provide it like this. Here, uh, if you want all the corners, then pass this, pass like this, and if p type you want like these are the values whether you need to provide some other value, but I'm like less than greater than zero. Okay.
Greater than zero not required. Only less than zero and 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 without zero.
Less than zero or without zero. Let's do it. In that case,
Means I can say that if without zero means if we will not use where clause, then
hmm,
what it should be without where clause.
I'm providing it.
Mm.
Uh, what is the column value? Suppose
Total
amount. Let
total.
me see.
Yeah,
Less
amount.
than zero. You want less than zero.
Yeah, less than zero
Then
we want.
your requirement like you want less than zero record, huh?
Yeah.
So like this, you can, and you want equal to zero
Equal to zero not required.
without zero.
Without
Without
zero
less.
mean I mean to say that just forget to wear clause. Then what all record will come. So this is that. This is
So
the
in that case, in all record, this condition will pass, na? So
okay.
nothing will be there. So everything will be coming. All
Okay.
record will be coming. In the
Ah,
less than zero, you want you want greater than zero. I know.
yeah,
You
greater
know.
means
So in that case, this would be the
yeah,
condition.
greater than zero. Yes.
Then zero, this where clause or this condition will be supplied at runtime on the
Okay.
basis of your concurrent program parameter.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this would be
So this I to write in this before parameter or something like that.
before report trigger.
Okay. 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 I will try.
And put this condition in the query part. This
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Then provide this one in the report triggers.
Okay.
Then you will able to achieve your goal.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So I need to supply that value in other form. Okay. Is now what I am doing,
Hmm.
uh, I'll just take the value of department number
Okay.
from this form, and I took as a global variable. Now I need to supply that thing in the another form.
What is this debug mode of
This one,
no debug mode coming there?
it will be there. So basically, the value is passing,
Yeah.
check value is passing to the other bound. Look, if I click on there and move it to there, you see there 30. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want to execute that form. So execute that one as well.
Here on the right hand side, debug mode is there. Yeah, that
Debug
one.
mode. So basically, it will shows the which trigger are triggering by the system at what time.
Okay.
At what yes, yes. Execute. Okay. Some errors is there.
Line number 4, column 5.
Basically, it's a kind of brainstorming. Uh,
And maybe semicolon. Oh yeah, there.
no, no, it's not great. Basically, I need to check.
Hmm.
Because it is solving over plus, but you can execute a database procedure as well.
Hmm.
So if you want to do some calculation or anything, you can do with the help of the table.
Okay.
So no problem. We are able to pass the value to the other form, but we want it would be queryable with that record only. So I will check it
Okay.
and tell you tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So for the report part, you can add that thing into your report builder triggers,
Okay. Okay.
create
Fine.
some parameter, and then accordingly you need to provide the value.
Yeah, I will try.
And on the
Yeah.
you can
Thanks.
yes.
One more question I have. Suppose
Uh-huh.
one more question I have. Suppose I am opening supplier page or
Hmm.
customer page. This page in a Java based program, Java based form. I need to
Uh-huh.
know the behind what is the code there. It is possible.
Yes. On the about this page, so let me show you, है ना?
Yeah, because some one report need to prepare, and that
Mm-hmm.
in project module I discussed before also. The accountant is saying that Oracle built-in functionality is coming, so they want custom report also, but I don't know what is
You
the code behind that.
you want some code behind these form, no? Okay.
Yeah, suppose customer form or
These type of forms, no?
yeah, yes,
So in that you need to go the about this page,
yeah,
expand all. This is the business components. This is the VOs.
hmm,
So every query is in the VO,
hmm.
VO object. So let me click in. This is the query.
This is the query. Matlab query means in Java based. This is
Yeah, form. This is the query behind that.
okay, okay. I will check.
So we get that query like this in the web page.
See about page.
Okay.
About page.
About this page.
About this page means system sysadmin something requirement responsibility or any profile required responsibility to display
Yes,
this.
that profile diagnostic, I think it will work.
Okay,
It
okay,
will also look at about this page.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
So you can check from here and
okay,
get the query.
okay, okay.
Okay. Okay then.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you very
Sagar.
much. Yeah. So
So,
tomorrow same time.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Good night.